Hello guys, in today's video I am going to be starting a series where I go from noob to pro in Grow a Garden, and of course we're rocking with some bacon drip. It's right now one of the finest avatars on Roblox platform. So yeah, let's get right into the video. First we are going to be buying some carrot seeds. Of course, that's the only thing we can do right now. And I got an award. Well, now I just gotta wait a little bit. And they're grown. Also on my main account I have pretty sure a little bit over 100 million. I know that's not much because a lot of people now have even billions. Like my one friend has over 10 billion, which is just insane in my opinion. But yeah, I think I'm going to be buying this and two of those. I can split this. Okay. Also, if you can subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I'm just trying to become a famous YouTuber someday. Also, I think I'm going to be playing this series until maybe I get 10 billion. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. I think even more. Wait, no. I need to sell first. I'm so dumb. Okay, 554. I think I'm going to be playing in this series. Let's say until I get like, okay, maybe like 10,000 mark or something like that. Because that's not hard to get. Actually, yeah, let's just hope they can give me some plants. Oh my god. Oh, okay, that's bad actually. Yeah, that's bad. Okay. Oh wait, I have to plant those. Okay, I'm gonna sell this. Also comment how much money you have in this game, because it's pretty hard to get 1 billion, even billions if you ask me. My best plant in my main account is Candy Blossom, I'm pretty sure. And maybe in the future I will do some videos on my main account as well. But I just thought that it would be cool to spend something here too. Everything's basically out of stock already. Okay, that's good. Okay, I did not get them. Yeah. Planting this. Taking those. Masala. When is this getting restocked? Okay, 1 minute, that's not too bad. Just going to be grinding right now. And actually, it's pretty nice to see here that Grow a Garden is actually one of the most fastest growing games on Roblox platform right now. I'm pretty sure there's like 1 million people playing this game right now. Meanwhile, Bloxroot only has like 200k. So yeah, not meaning any harm or something, but just it's insane to think. But when the update 20 came out in Bloxroot, yeah, there was a lot of people playing and the join counts were skyrocketing. Legit. Okay. I'm going to be buying some new plants now. I can get them blueberry seeds, but I don't know if that's worth it. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm taking all of those. Okay. Yeah, I don't have any money left. I'm planting this. And the carrots. I'm going to be selling my inventory right now. Hope we can get some plants. Not like, yeah, it kinda went wrong. Okay, now I'm going to buy 1 blueberry seed. And yeah, I can buy everything here. Okay. Rainbow! Oh my god. No way. No. My luck is insane. Bro, what? I just started. Oh my god. Wait, there's 2 million people activate. Not activate, active right now. Oh wow. Yeah, this game is so popular. But I don't know. Okay, I'm perfect. I was just trolling with this thing. Let's see. I wanna see how much this is worth. 1k. That's a pretty good start if you ask me. Almost 2k. What can... Ooh. I can make a lot of profit out of those. I got an... Wait. Okay, I'm going to be planting this. Wait. Okay. Can I sell this? 4k. Well, I guess I'm going to be ending this video pretty soon. Take. I don't think I'm going to be getting 10k from, or 7k, yeah. I'm gonna do the video until I get 7k, and then yeah, the next video probably is coming, I don't know, to be honest. Let's say like maybe, no, not next week, maybe after 2 days, I think. Yeah, I think that's fair. Wait, I don't know how much daffodil can be. I never really used those. Oh, gotta wait, gotta wait. Oh yeah, I'm gonna say the magic words. Come on! Okay. Let's see, what can I get? Strawberries. I'll get 2. And everything else on carrots. And where the hell are the seeds? Strawberry seeds here. And carrots here. Wait. Oh my god, it's still not growing. Yeah, I think the video ends here. Carrots, I'm gonna plant it. If I get 10k like over here, then yeah, the video ends. And I think I am going to get it. Wait. No way. Pepper? Give me this. Oh, cock. Oh, it's still good, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I guess I'm getting a lot more than I expected. I didn't want to take everything from him, so yeah. Of course I'm gonna accept. 54k, yeah, that's it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.